Let's work on mechanics. And this says a stone is dropped from the top of a building 80 meters high. It's a find in seconds the time taken to reach the ground. So a body is thrown from a building and is falling downwards. So what that means that the height of that throw is given by the equation h is equal to ut plus 1 over 2 gt squared. The g is acceleration due to gravity. Also, because the body is falling downward, the value of the sign is positive. Okay, so at this point, the initial velocity u will be 0, and so the g is 10 meters per second squared. If we substitute that into the equation, we have that the height is 80 meters. That is going to be 0 times t plus 1 over 2 times 10, then times t squared. Now, of course, I'll be having my AT be equal, so this is actually 0. So 2 go here, 1, 2 go here, 5. So I'll be having 5 times t squared. So my AT meters will be 5t squared. Now divide both sides by 5. So 5 go here and 5 go here. So 5 will bring 5 down. So 5 go 8 will give me 16. So my 16 is t squared. So if I take the root of both sides, I take the root of this side, this is 4 seconds and this is t. Therefore, the time it takes for the body to hit the ground is 4 seconds.